2000s, I was blessed to be invited to work with Microsoft in the Asia Pacific region, training them in a program to improve their productivity with Microsoft Outlook. During that time, I learnt so many amazing habits that I still use today. One of those I call batching. It involves batching or grouping similar tasks and doing them all together in one chunk. It might seem simplistic or even archaic, but according to Psychology Today, the true cost of multitasking can be up to 40% of your productivity, particularly if you do a lot of task switching during the course of the day. Whilst it might seem slower to be batching your calls, email or documentation reading can actually make you more productive. Why not give it a try this week? Pick one task such as calls to make or return, emails to check or documentation to read, and schedule a time in your calendar, a realistic time. I'd love to know if you get more done.